Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tech and banking tips to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to transfer money to First Bank in 2025. With all the advancements in banking tech, sending money has never been simpler or more secure. Whether you're helping a family member or settling a bill, this step-by-step guide will have you transferring funds in no time. First things first, make sure you have the latest First Bank mobile app installed on your smartphone. It's 2025, so updates are key for features like enhanced biometric security and AI-assisted transfers. Once you're set, open the app and log in using your fingerprint, facial recognition, or even a voice command. Super futuristic, right? Now, head to the main dashboard and tap on the Transfer or Send Money option. It's usually front and center for easy access. Next, you'll need to enter the recipient's details. That's their First Bank account number, which you can find in their app or on their card. Double-check this to avoid any hiccups. Nothing worse than sending money to the wrong place. Then, input the amount you want to transfer and add a quick note if needed, like, "For dinner last night." Before you hit confirm, the app will show a summary, including any fees. Keep an eye out, as 2025 brings dynamic fee structures based on transfer speed. Once you're happy, authorize the transaction with your biometrics again for that extra layer of security. And just like that, the money is on its way. You'll get a confirmation notification almost instantly. Pro tip: if you're transferring large amounts, consider using the app's AI chat for advice on limits or verification. That's it for today's tutorial. Simple, secure, and straight to the point. If this helped you out, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe for more 2025 tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay savvy, everyone. See you in the next video.